Hey folks, thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to talk about painting old rims. And this is kind of a cheap way to have kind of new looking rims, but real cheap. Or if you wanted to keep the stock rim and didn't want to pay like the new price for a stock rim. Because I think this rim is like $200 and something. I got this one for the spare tire because I'm going to put 5 of the same tires on and just do a 5-tire rotation. So this one was easy to paint because you don't have to worry about the valve stem. You can just paint right over it and you don't have to block off the tire. So you'll be able to get the knowledge to do that. But we're going to talk about the other rim, which is rim and tire, which is this one. So as you can see, this one's a lot more just like kind of screwed up and stuff. I did take this out. And so the things that you would need for this would be, I have some painter's tape for the valve stem. So you just want to paint around that valve stem. Or not paint around it is what you want to do. So you just put a bunch of tape around there. And then you have a couple different products. You have like a Scotch Guard, or I have 60 grit sandpaper if there's big chunky parts, like chunky dirt or something like that. And then I also have steel wool for like the final kind of rub down everywhere before we paint. And then obviously, well, not obviously, but, well, obviously, yes. We do have the paint. This particular paint I just picked up at probably like AutoZone or Advanced Auto, I don't know, one of those two. But you can pick whatever paint you want. You can, so I wanted to get the paint that was closest to the stock color, I guess. So I got that stuff. It's pretty grayish, silvery, kind of like the stock one. If you want to get bronze or black or a darker gray or white or some other color, you can do that too, but it probably doesn't really matter, but just whatever your preference is. So what you'll do, oh, the other thing is you'll need is some, well, apparently I have like Scooby-Doo cards. For some reason they're Scooby-Doo, I don't know. They're just beat up cards, so I've used them. And what we're gonna do is we're going to let the air out of here. We're just gonna take the valve core out so it comes out pretty quick. And then we're just gonna walk around the tire just to loosen up the bead. It's not gonna really come off the bead, but it'll loosen up enough to like slide the cards underneath, and then I'll kind of show you how to go from there. And then that's all you really need. You don't really need to block off the rest of the tire because you're gonna be close enough with the paint can to get the whole thing. And I'll show you that once we get there. Okay folks, so you can do this another way if you want. You just let it out. You don't really need a valve core remover, but it goes a lot quicker if you remove the valve core. So I'm gonna do this with 2 hands. I'm gonna put some pressure on there, otherwise the valve core will come shooting out, and then you won't be able to find it then. Okay, now the next thing we're gonna do is just kind of loosen the bead. Do this just by going around the thing. It's truly a step-by-step video on how to do this. Literally step-by-step. Sorry for the corny jokes. Now, if you're looking at this going, gosh, there's still a bunch of marks on it and stuff like that, that's okay, because we're actually going to, paint those. But the thing is, it's smooth everywhere. Everywhere it's smooth. Actually, I might hit there again. I'm right there. So, but then we're going to brush it with that, and then we'll put the cards in and then paint. Okay, so then you just want to kind of lean in, get a little curve, get some of the you want the rim to kind of grab the card. It doesn't have to go very far in, just so it stays. Okay, as you can see, folks, it's ready to be painted now. We'll probably brush it one more time. But essentially, other than the rim I showed you, this is the other rim that's been done. I did do the black center cap. It's just painted with cheap rattle can as well. I may keep it like that, I may not, I'm not sure. I'll have to kind of wait and see. But it looks pretty good. It's kind of dark right now. It's starting to get dark outside, so anyways, just wanted to give you a shot what that looked like. Okay, and then of course, take your can of paint and about ready to let it rip. We don't really care about the rest of it, you know, like if it gets on the other back part of the wheel, no one ever sees that, so we don't really care. Or at least, I don't really care. All right, folks, and I don't know if you can see, but I'll probably have some run marks right there. I saw, and I don't think there were any other run marks, so I'll wait for it to dry. I'll probably sand it down a little bit, and then I'll always do a second coat anyway, but sometimes you can't really see what you're doing that well, especially this way, and it's probably a way to set it up a little bit better, but you know, I didn't, so anyways, it's not a big deal because I'm going to do a second coat anyway, but you know, you don't get the tire. These things deflect it pretty good, so I think it works out pretty good. This is the third tire. No, well, the third one with a tire I've done, and then the fourth one because I have that spare right there. Because that's the other spare. That's why I got a new one partially, and because that one's rusted through, and this is an old tire. So I'm going to get all new tires, and I'm still working on the front end on that. So we'll eventually get that done, but we're not done yet, so I'll pick you up when we're doing the second coat. Okay, so then when you're done, you just kind of push down here, and then you can take out the cards. You can't really take them out without pushing them down, though. So do not forget to put your valve core back in your valve stem, because obviously you will not be able to fill up the tire unless you do that. And we are essentially done. I'm going to paint this piece, rough it up with some of the steel wool, that's right, and paint it black so it matches the other ones, and that's it.